Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So when you open Windows terminal in Windows 11 computer, if you see this prompt which says install the latest PowerShell for new features and improvements, if you want to get rid of it, then on the top here you can see the drop down arrow. Click on the drop down arrow and then go to settings. Now once you go to settings, over here on the bottom left, click on open JSON file, click on it and then type in Control F, and in the search you can type in command line without any space and then hit the enter key. Now over here you can see command line which ends with PowerShell.exe. You also have command line with cmd.exe, not over here but over here, command line which ends with PowerShell.exe. Now after exe, make sure that you take your cursor after exe and then give one space, only one space, and then type in dash no logo logo. So it's PowerShell.exe, one space and then dash no logo, and then go to file, click on save and then close this notepad. Now close this Windows terminal, close all, make a right click and then you can open terminal and you should not see that prompt anymore. So this is how you can get rid of it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.